everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Island Mama. Today we are making fried chicken and I'm going to use our favorite Trini flavor, which is bandania seasoning, and we're going to do it my way. Let's go. So you would see I cut my chicken into pieces that I can fry, wash, and I'm going to season it now. So what I have blended here is my shadow benny, chive, celery, pepper, garlic, and some onion. This is 2 chickens that I'm using. So I am putting 1 tablespoon of salt. We are going to use Chief Brand Products all-purpose seasoning. So I am putting also 1 tablespoon of that. Garlic powder, 2 tablespoons. Pepper sauce, of course. 1 nice rounded tablespoon of mustard so that all our seasonings will cling to that chicken. Let's say a tablespoon of ketchup because we need that sweet element, salty element, spicy element. And we want to leave it to marinate here for a little 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to start our frying process. While this is marinating, let's make some tandoori potato on our stove. We are going to put 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We are going to brown some garlic and jeera, 1 tablespoon and a half of tandoori powder. We have our potatoes that are washed, peeled, and cut up into pieces. We are going to saute that, let it fry up. Cover it and let it steam a bit on low heat. Let's put in our boiling water. Allow it to come to a boil. After a couple minutes, we are going to put in 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of butter. Continue to cook until tender, and that's it. Does anyone remember what shake and bake is? Well, this is my favorite way of frying my chicken, homemade style. So in a sealer bag, I'll put in my flour, salt, black pepper if you use it, garlic powder, onion powder, a little all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of chicken bouillon powder. After 15 minutes, your chicken should be done. And to maintain that crispy crunchiness of your chicken, oh, we love it so much. Let's use a wire basket to put our chicken in. The flow of the air around that basket will help maintain that beautiful texture. Try it and let me know what's your outcome. See you on the next video.